Hello everyone, is your C drive getting filled up automatically? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can reduce that problem. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to your setting. If you're using Windows 11, just right click on it and then in here, click setting, and then you will be taken to this page. Navigate through the system options and then click storage. And then there will be a specific option called Storage Sense. Basically, with this one, it automatically free up space, delete temporary files, and manage locally available cloud content. So just make sure that this specific setting is turned on. And from here, you can also see your installed applications and temporary files that you can delete and more. So heading over back to Storage Sense, make sure that it is set to the automatic user content cleanup. And then of course, you can set this the way you want to. For example, if you want to clean up every month, every week, you can just do so. Heading back to the storage setting, we can also click on the cleanup recommendations. In here, it will then prompt us to clean up some temporary files or files that have been duplicated. So in my case, I have around 7 gig on my recycle bin, and I also have some files on my downloads, which is basically inside the C drive. So if we click on the downloads or recycle bin, it will then clear that specific item. It's really important to clear your recycle bin every once in a while because it will be located on your C drive. Now, heading back to the storage setting once more, you just want to make sure that the temporary files has been reduced. Now we can also navigate through the add or remove programs. And basically from here, you can just remove some applications that you are not using anymore. For example, in my case, I have something like this Atlas platform, which I don't use anymore. So I'll just simply uninstall it in order to free up some space. And then of course, there's going to be a lot of settings, applications, games inside your computer. So you can just organize it on this specific setting. Now, another thing that we can do is to head back to our desktop and from here, navigate through the recycle bin. So it's going to be this one. Right click on it, click properties, and then as of the moment, it is currently set to 8,000 megabytes. So that's going to be around 8 gigabytes. So what you can do is to simply reduce this into something like 5 gigabytes. So in that way, after 5 gigabytes, it will then delete the oldest files on your recycle bin. Normally, this will be set into something like 2,500 depending on the size of your drive. So just click apply, click OK, and then that will absolutely free up some space on your C drive. So that's multiple ways on how you can go ahead and fix this problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.